Hi, good afternoon! Welcome to Kwento Vlogger channel. Our episode for today is about Harry Potter Uno card game. This is the front cover of Harry Potter Uno card game from Mattel Games, J.K. Rowling's Wizarding World, and Warner Brothers. And then, this is the back cover of Harry Potter Uno card game. This is the manual and instruction of how to play Harry Potter Uno card game. And these are the cards of Harry Potter Uno card game. And this is the box of Harry Potter Uno card game. That's it for the Harry Potter Uno card game episode. Anyway, before I say goodbye, I would like to say thank you to all the viewers and subscribers of this channel, Kwento Vlogger. If you want to subscribe to this channel, all you have to do is watch the video and then click like, subscribe, and click the bell button to receive the notification and fresh episodes of Kwento Vlogger channel. Again, thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.